Hello guys, my name is Naran Singh, and in the today video I am going to show you how can you find a least repeated item in the given array. So suppose we have this array, and if you see here, the 1 is the item which repeated 3 times, and 2 also repeated 3 times, but 3 only repeated 2 times. If you see 4 only repeated 1 time, so we no need to focus on this number, only need to find a repeated number. So if you see 3 is the number which repeated 2 times, that is the number we need to find. So here I create a merge method. So here I pass the array and also created two variables like this. These are two variables like a least repeated counter and least repeated item. I'll show you why I defined these number. And then I create one map. So here I'm going to uh, throw the array to iterate each number and then check and putting into the map. Suppose if number already present in the map, then means it is repeating. So we are increasing the counter and then putting back to the hash map. And if the item not present in that, it means it's coming first time, so we'll put with the counter 1. So in this way we will find the particular number repeated how many times. Now we need to from the map, now we have a number for like this. Suppose 1 repeated 3 times, 2 repeated 3 times, 3 repeated 2 times, and 4 repeated 1 time. So this is the number which we need to find. So now I loop again to iterate the map. Here I am reading the entry, and in entry I read all value and key. And so here I add condition to value should be greater than. So in this condition, the loop will not, this condition will not be checked for this elements, because we no need to focus on unrepeated number. Now here I check if least number is 0. 0 means it's the looping, the loop is started just now, so the value is 0. If 0, then I will assign key and value. Means first of all it will assign this number into this. Now next time, next time when the loop come, then we'll check if if this value less than the current one which we have. If we have, if it is true, then it will assign the small value and key and value in this variable. So after the completion of this loop, we will have a least repeated number. So in this way we can find. Let me run this program for you. See, least repeated number is 3, because 3 only the number which repeated 2 times. If we increase like something 3 again, then what will happen? And if we repeat 4 only 2 times, we can write anywhere, not required to write just after 1. So now the output should be 4. See, now the output is 4. So this is the program which asked by the interviewer 2 or 3 times to me, and the last time I could only answer to find these number, but after that I did a study to find the least number and thought to share this logic with all of you. I hope this logic and program you may like this. Thank you.